Holy heck, this feels dangerous. Ah! Scared of heights up here, but you can climb up to the top of this. I need to get down. It's making my adrenaline fucked. Alright, I got my butt in a secure location. But holy hell. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's really high. Like, this place is crazy. Like, there's an opening there that you can get to, but like, is this a decrepit pyramid? Like, long before 20,000 years that like survived the cataclysm and became shifted? I found something that, wow, just the texture and the mystery of like this construction is so amazing. Nah, see, look. They're freaking blocks. This whole wall, it's not a rock wall. It's a rock wall with blocks on top of it that split off. I don't know, that's so insane. And it's like, oh, weird texture. Like a cataclysm. Crazy. They did some landscaping in here so it's easier to access. This is nuts. It's so cool. Whoa. See, that looks like, I don't know, like a tree stump. That's crazy. Look, you can see the freaking brickwork that's been like fossilized or whatever. But look at that. Wow. What? Oh, it's a black squirrel in there. Where is it? He's the ruler of the whole. I don't know. See, isn't that crazy? Wait, oh, weird. That's weird. Oh my gosh, look. It's Arab, or I don't know what that is. Is that a womb or something? The canal in the womb. This place is nuts. I'll show a little bit of archaeology since I started watching Melted Realities channels. Brick? One brick. I don't know. That looks like a deleted panel there. Who knows? I'm sure there was more to this than there is now, obviously. I mean, it's like water ran in through here. I don't know. I wonder what some reports say about this. Like, all these holes have white around them. I don't know what that means, but it's pretty consistent. Huh. We've seen this. Cover up. But there's tunnels underneath those properties up there. Big pool like this. Huh. Maybe it was a big cave opening, really. because they put all sorts of construction over it. It like draws attention to it being something. And see, this has under the chair part 2 more cement. Interesting. Right, waterfall. This here is interesting. It's like one of the seats, but it's like nature was working on it. No. Assuming it's typical for this to have water. It certainly does not. It's not at the surface. There's a lot of intense hiking and biking opportunity in this deeper part of the trail, because they have trails that just keep going up the mountainside. Not today.